Please see this next question, sir. Again, a very, very important question. Please see this question. Your question is, 2/3 of a consignment is sold at a profit of 6% and the remaining at a loss of 3%. If the total profit is 5,400, find the value of the consignment. Now, everyone listen carefully, sir. I will solve this question in two methods. Whichever the method you are comfortable, you can pick up that method. Now, your question is, find the value of the consignment. That means I need to find the cost price of the article. I will assume the cost price. I told you sometime before that. Whenever there is percentage, I will assume the cost price as 100. Right? I will assume it as 100. That means cost price I will assume it as 100. But think a little logically. Why are we assuming 100? Because if we assume 100, we will eliminate the method of fractions, because fractions will kill a lot of time. People who do not agree for my statement that fractions will kill a lot of time, you can please start watching my time and work class. You will understand the importance of solving in whole numbers. That means I do not want to work with fraction. That is the reason I am taking 100. But unfortunately in this question, there is another fraction called as a 2/3. That means first product, cost price of first product is 2/3 of the product is sold at 6% profit. What is 2/3 of 100? 2/3 of 100 is nothing but 200/3. Another second product remaining is 2/3. If it is taken, remaining is another 1/3. What is 1/3 of 100? 1/3 of 100 is 100/3. I am still getting fractions and it will take a lot of time for me to simplify using fractions. My role is to eliminate fractions. That means I don't want this 3 to be there in the denominator. I already eliminated one fraction by taking 100, by eliminating that percentage by 100, and I don't want this 3 also to be there. That means I want to cancel this 3. If I want to cancel this 3, what number should I take here? I should take a multiple of 3. That means percentage is by 100. To eliminate this 100, I took 100 here so that it will cancel. Also to eliminate this denominator 3, I should take a multiple of 3. That means whatever the number which I am assuming, it should be a multiple of 100. It should also be a multiple of 3. I will assume the cost price as multiple of both 3 and 100, which is nothing but 300. Sir, will I not get the correct answer if I take it as 100 and solve it? Definitely you will get the correct answer, but you will take a lot of time. Now see here, sir. I am assuming the cost price as 300. 2/3 of 300 is nothing but 200. That means cost price of first product. Cost price of first product is 200. Second product cost price is 1/3 of 300 is nothing but 100. First product is costing 200. Second product is costing 100. First product is costing 200. Product is costing 200. Second product is costing 100. Question says the first product, 2/3 of the product is sold at 6% profit. That means here I am making a profit of 6%. 6% means, forget about 6%. What is 1% of 200? 1% is 2 rupees. 6% is 2 into 6. That means I am making 12 rupees profit. It becomes 200 plus 12, 212. Similarly, the remaining second product is sold at a loss of 3%. Loss of 3% means 3% of 100 is 3 rupees loss. That means it is 3 rupees loss from 100 is, it is 97 rupees. That means I assume the cost price as 300. Because of my assumption of 300 only, I am getting this 200. Because of my assumption of 300 only, I am getting this 100. That means whatever I have taken till now, everything is according to my assumption. According to my assumption. According to my assumption. Total cost price is, it is 200 plus 100, it is 300. According to my assumption, total selling price is, it is 212 plus 97, it is 309. That means according to my assumption, total cost price is 300, total selling price is 309. What is the profit? profit is 9 rupees. According to my assumption, profit is 9 rupees. According to the question, profit is 5,400. Similarly, according to my assumption, cost price is 300. According to the question, how much they are asking? 9 into which number is 5,400? 9 into 600 is only 5,400. 300 also multiply by 600. 300 into 600 is 1,80,000. Answer for this question is, beautifully it can be solved as 1,80,000. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. Now see here, sir. Method 2. Your question says 2/3 of product is sold at a profit of 6%. Is sold at a profit of 6%. Remaining 1/3 of product is sold at a loss of 3%. Is sold at a loss of 3%. It is also given that total profit is 5,400 rupees. Question is find the cost price. Everyone listen to method 2. Can I say that I know that profit percentage definition is how much profit I am getting with respect to cost price. Now they are asking you cost price in this question. So cost price will be equal to profit divided by profit percentage. Simple. Profit divided by profit percentage. Overall profit given in the question is 5,400. 5,400 divided by profit percentage. It is given in two parts. 2/3 is sold at 6% profit. It is 2/3 into 6%. And remaining 1/3 is sold at 3% loss. It is 1/3 into 3% loss. Loss means put a negative sign. If I simplify this further, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 1. This is 5,400 divided by 2 into 2 is 4%. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1%. 4 minus 1 is 3%. 3 by 100. That by 100 will go above. It is 3 into 1. 3 into 1800. 1800 into 100 is again 1,80,000. You either apply method 1 or apply method 2. You will definitely end up with the same answer. You will definitely end up with the same answer. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. Now see here, before moving on to next problem, if you observe here, this question, there are two products. That means one single product is divided into two parts. See the next question, sir. Please see this next question. Next question is 1/3 of a consignment is sold at 15% profit. 1/3 is sold at 15% profit. 1/4 is sold at 20% profit. 1/3 is sold at 15% profit. 1/4 is sold at 20% profit. And the remaining at 24% profit. 1/3 plus 1/4, which is nothing but 7/12. 7/12 is completed. Remaining is 5/12. Remaining 5/12 is sold at 24% profit. Your question is, if the total profit is 62 rupees, if the total profit is 62 rupees, find the value of the consignment. What is the cost price? Just now we discussed method 2 in my previous example. Same logic I will implement. Cost price is nothing but equal to profit divided by profit percentage. Total profit given in the question is 62 divided by overall profit percentage is 1/3 into 15. 3 into 1, 3 into 5. It is 5% plus 1/4 into 20. It is again 5% plus 5/12 into 24. 12 into 1, 12 into 2. What is 2 into 5? 10%. Cost price is 62 divided by 5 plus 5 plus 10 is 20%. 20 is 1/5. 62 into 5. It is 310 rupees. Within seconds you will get the answer by using method 2. Within seconds you will get the answer by using method 2. The beauty about this method 2 is, please see the next question, sir. This is where my students will be so smart and so fast in solving all the questions. Your question is, a trader sold 1/3 of his stock at a profit of 10%. 1 by third at 10 percentage profit and remaining at profit of 25%, remaining 2/3 at 25 percentage profit. Find is overall profit or loss percentage. Overall profit or loss they are asking. They are not asking you the cost price. That means I don't need the numerator part in this case. That means overall profit is 1 by 3 into 10 percentage. It is 10 by 3. 2 by 3 into 25 percentage. It is 50 by 3. 10 by 3 plus 50 by 3 is 60 by 3 percentage. 60 by 3 overall is 20 percentage. Within seconds my students will definitely answer the question, and I am telling you with utmost confidence that not only profit, loss and discount,